Looking for the perfect keyboard and mouse combos? Here's what you need to know. The Logitech MK540 Advanced Wireless is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants precision typing. An instantly familiar experience. Type with ease and comfort on this full-size wireless keyboard. Featuring reduced noise, palm rest, spill-resistant design. 1. Adjustable tilt legs. Designed to help you built for comfort. The sleek Combos wireless mouse features an ambidextrous shape and soft rubber side grips that fit comfortably in your palm, as well as enhanced tracking and precise cursor control. Great choice if you need long-lasting autonomy. The wireless keyboard and mouse set come with long-lasting battery life, with the keyboard lasting up to 36 months and the wireless mouse for up to 18 months. 3. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.